in my last video, I talked about how I had some concerns about my locks, and I also wanted to share with you some of my hair's likes and dislikes. I'm learning. My hair and we are coming into this, we're forming this rapport between us, and some of the things that I want for my hair is telling me I don't think so. I'm training my hair as well as my hair is sort of training me into what works best. So let me get into it. First thing that my hair likes is it likes for me to leave it alone. It doesn't like to be bothered with, right? And so that means although I like twisting and twirling my hair and fiddling with it and playing around with it, it doesn't like that. It's like, nah, ma, we don't like that. So that's one thing I'm realizing my hair doesn't like. It doesn't like to be over manipulated at all. So I'm working with my hair with that. I'm going to, try to keep my hands out of my hair if it will, do what it needs to do, right? So basically I stay in my lane and my hair growth stays in its lane, or my locks stay in its lane. The second thing that my hair likes is it loves water and sunlight. Okay, my hair loves water, so the more I spray it with water, the more it just helps with the lock system. I have very, very, very coarse hair, so it loves water. It likes to be tangled. It likes to shrink. My hair loves it. So in my other videos you have seen me, I have 2 bottles. I have this I keep with me in the car, and then I have another one at home. So when I wake up in the morning, I like to spritz my hair, and what's in here is alkaline water and essential oils. Okay, so I got this bottle at the vitamin shop, and it's glass. I like that. I kind of don't like the plastics mixing with my essential oils, just personal preference. So this is glass, and I keep this in the car with me right there. So whenever I want to, whenever my hair is feeling dry, or I just kind of want to give it a little lift, I just spritz it. Okay, just like that. Loves it. Another thing my hair likes is sunlight. So here in my car I have a moon roof, and anytime I'm driving, as long as it's not too hot, I will make sure that the moon roof is completely exposed. That way the sunlight can beam on the platinum and ebony locks of mine. Right. So I also said in my other video that I was going to start wearing more head wraps and hats. That's really not happening. It is way too hot. I'm in Charlotte, North Carolina. We're in the deep south here, though I'm not from the south. But I'm living here now, and it is extremely, the humidity is extremely high, and head wraps is just way too hot. Also hats, kind of hot. My hair doesn't like it. I kind of feel as though with this set of locks and the humidity here, the hat mixed with the perspiration mixed with the sweat, the heat, it all sort of marinates into this undesirable environment that my scalp and my hair would prefer not to be in. So that's why I'm not wearing hats. But that also leads into the concerns, but we'll get to that. So yes, open air and sunlight my hair loves, right? So anytime I wear hats where the funk and the sweat and the heat and everything can build up, my hair is like, no man, me no like that. And that's a horrible, that was just horrible. So that's that. So some concerns that I'm having with my hair is the lack of versatility and the lack of style. Anytime you're starting locks, this is my second set, I'm starting locks, and my hair is super short, so there's not much I can do. In my other video, I stated that I like the center part. I'm trying to train my hair to grow with the center part, but you know, I have to do different things with my hair when in this beginning lock stages, and because my hair is so short, I'm just kind of really stuck at what I can do with my hair. So so I started with the side part. You know, those are the only two things that I can do as far as my hair itself. Now I can accentuate my hair with you know, with accessories and a headband and stuff, but in terms of styles, I'm pretty much really sort of limited in my styles. So that is a concern that I have. I cannot wait until my hair just grows a little bit longer so I can maybe get somebody to twist it, do a little flat twist style. But until then, this is what I'm sort of dealing with. All right. So another thing that I have is what I like to call, or what I like to refer to as lock webbing. And lock webbing is when you have a lock. Oh, you can see it really well here. Look at this. You see how this right here, it's like forms a web. So this is what I don't like about my hair. Again, I call that lock webbing, where you see all this different, it looks like a web. Not all my locks do that. Like this one, you don't really see it webbing. I think that what causes that is the way that I parted my hair. So I feel like if I parted my hair, in squares with the right hair part ratio, I probably wouldn't have that, what I call webbing. But I didn't. I just parted my hair any kind of way that I felt like I needed to. I've went through all of my locks and I tried to repair that. But you know, there it is. So then also my third concern is my fear of washing my locks. In my first set of locks, I had them professionally started, and I don't know what she used, what kind of gel she used. That was 16 years ago, but it really held up my hair, and it really held my locks together, and my hair held up. And I did pay somebody to start my locks, but I was more reckless then, but things turned out well than I am now. And maybe because I started my own locks, and the product that I use to start my locks is, I feel like, it's not thick, it's not hard, it's not filled with a whole bunch of junk. I'll explain to you in another video what I use, but I just used basically alkaline water and Aveda gel. That's what I did to start my locks. So it's not like I have a whole bunch of hold in it. So that's why I feel like I'm just so scared to wash my hair, because the products I use were just very natural, very light. And so so that's that. I am going to wash my hair on my 1 month update, which is going to be next week. So be looking out for that video. And I'm going to use a stocking cap method based on these two YouTubers that I saw do it, and I'll give you that information in my wash video, okay? And my fourth concern that I have is the back of your head. All right, so those of us that are just beginning our locks from the front, we're thinking, oh, okay, it's kind of cute. Our locks look good. We looking straight, right? But oh my gosh, in the back, if you ever we don't have eyes in the back of our head, but every now and again, before I leave out the house, when I'm thinking that my front is looking straight, I will take a mirror and look at the back, and the back is just jacked up. So it's just super embarrassing. I don't like how, although I do rock my hair every night, I kind of don't like how sometimes locks are pressed in a certain direction. You can go to bed at nighttime with your locks just nice and straight and wrap it up, but then when you wake up in the morning and remove your wrap, your lock is like all on the right side, left side, all willy-nilly everywhere, right? So that's just super crazy. So although we might think that we're on fleek with the front of our hair, that back is looking something kind of horrid, right? So I don't like that, but it just kind of comes with the territory. You guys let me know how you guys deal with that, and you guys let me know as far as how you're holding up. Is this your first or second lock journey? How are you dealing with your starter locks? How long did you wait until the first time you did your first washing with your starter locks? So, but yeah, there it is. There it is. And so thank you for liking. Bye.